Hello everyone. So I showed you how to make the pasta noodles. Now I'm going to show you how to make the raviolis. This is the filling for the raviolis. I have about a pound of ricotta here. I'm going to put in some parsley, fresh cut parsley that I dried from my garden. A little salt. A little garlic, granulated garlic, some grated pecorino romano, and 1 egg. Mix it around. You could put pepper. And don't put too much filling in the ravioli, otherwise it bursts open and goes into the water, the pasta water. All right, so you mix this really good. Maybe a little bit more cheese. All right. I'll be back in a minute when I have the dough laid out. Okay, so at this point, you've made the homemade pasta from the video I made. I have this tray. You don't have to use a tray. You could just put the dough out and put dollops of ricotta. But this is what I do. You make the impression like that. You take the ricotta filling and you put it in each one, and then I put another one on top. And I'll show you what I do when I get to that point. Don't put too much in, like I said. It'll burst out. I'm probably putting in too much already. Okay. Now I'm gonna roll out another piece and put it on top, and I'll be back to show you. All right, so I rolled out another one to go on top. This is what happens. You put this one on top, and then you roll it like this. You see, and it cuts. How's that? And you put whatever sauce you want on it. I'm making marinara sauce. I have it already. A little bit more. I have a recipe for it. A video. Wow. You could put whatever you want in it. And as a matter of fact, you could put whatever you want in the dough. If you want to put tomatoes in it or basil in the dough, you could do that too. And here's your raviolis. There they are. Put some flour on them. Dry them out. Aren't they beautiful? And there you have it. Look at those beautiful raviolis. All right, don't forget to salt your water. I'm gonna put the raviolis in. They only take a couple of minutes because as soon as they come to the top, they're done. Nothing like homemade raviolis. Oh boy. There we go. Can't get them in fast enough. All right. This one's open. These are open. I don't like that.
What do you do if they open?
You don't do anything. Okay. They start boiling. Soon as the water boils again, when it comes up, here we go. Doesn't take long. I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so when the water comes to a boil, the raviolis are done. I'm gonna take them out and drain them.
When they float, no?
Yeah, they float and the water comes to a rapid boil. A rapid boil. Ah, beautiful. Here we go. One broke. That's all right. One broke. Turn this off. And here's the sauce. Look at that. Come in closer, my grandson, and take a couple of pictures. Until next time, bon appetit!